Hi there. In this screencast, I'll be talking about why I chose to emphasize the detail that I have here on the lower right hand side of the screen for my 200 by 200 pixel cropped image. As you can see, the original image is a hat. In fact, it's the hat that I wrote the poem about. I wish I could show you an image from the underside of the hat so that you could see just how much it's faded. Originally, it was close in shade to this little loop on the leather band right here. This hat really has been through a lot. So, the reason I chose this detail is because basically, the original image was so large that a 200 by 200 pixel crop only captured a tiny fraction of it. Any other crop from that image would be so indistinct and lacking in detail that you probably wouldn't know what you were looking at. Unfortunately, I took this picture with my iPhone and it's just a high resolution camera, and so the original image was larger than it would have been otherwise, probably. Oh well, lesson learned for next time. In any case, I still like this hat a lot, and I feel like it's got a little, well, actually, a lot of history to it. And I thought that it would make a good subject for a poem. And then I thought that poem would be a good part of this project. And it was so good that I just couldn't leave it out. So even though this detail isn't exactly what I would call a great detail, it kind of had to be what it was for everything else to work.